Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. The topic I chose today is family, and I chose this topic because I wanted to recognize that there's no perfect family, and that every family is different, and there shouldn't be a thought of what a family should look or be like because there isn't one. A family consists of people who you love and you consider family, whether they're related to you biologically or not. And I got this quote here where it like kind of says that a family is anyone who loves you unconditionally, and that's true. What I also wanted to point out is how much family has changed through times where in these images I chose here, where families in the 1950s consisted of just a mother and a father with children, similar to here, where you can see that these families weren't as diverse as the ones we have here in 2020, where you have blended families and you have families with same-sex parents, which is normal as long as there's love in these families. That is what makes up a family. And I wanted to show that there is no there's no right way of being a